Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by protecting yourself. Goggles and gloves. Once done, make sure the vehicle is off and the parking brake is set. This prevents sparks and movement. Identify the battery posts, the positive marked with plus and the negative with minus. First actionable step. Loosen the negative clamp slightly so it can be removed if needed, then do the same for the positive. You do this to avoid metal contact and shorting while preparing to attach the new connections. You now continue by connecting the positive cable first. Slip the clamp over the plus terminal and tighten until snug, avoid stripping the bolt. Then move to the negative terminal and attach its clamp, making sure the metal surfaces meet and corrosion is removed. Clean contact improves current flow. Once both clamps are secure, turn on the headlights briefly or use a multimeter to measure voltage, about 12. 6 volts indicates a full charge. Make sure to hold clamps steady while testing to prevent loosening. You finish by tightening both clamps and checking for any movement. Secure the battery with its hold down to prevent vibration damage. Once everything is secured, reconnect any removed accessories and start the engine. Watch dash lights and listen for normal cranking. If the car doesn't start, make sure clamps are tight and corrosion-free, recheck voltage, and inspect main fuses. These are common failure points. If voltage is low, try a safe jump-start procedure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.